Welcome back to my channel. So the first thing to do to get this sleeve is to determine your armhole. Is either you measure around the person's armhole, or you measure after joining everything on the dress and is remaining the sleeve, you measure the armhole you have on your dress or wherever it is you want to put the sleeve. So for this particular video, I'm using armhole of 15. I'm using armhole of 15. So we are cutting half circle. And I'm using armhole of 15. So armhole of 15, to get your half circle, the radius for your half circle, you divide the circumference by 3.14. So in this case, I am using 15. So 15 divided by 3.14, that will give me 4.7 something. So I am rounding it up to 5. So I'll be using radius of 5 for this particular video. So my fabric is my paper. I'm using paper. My paper is folded into 2 already. So I'll get my radius from here. Remember I said my radius is 5. So I'll get my radius from here, which is 5. So I'll get my 5 round. I hope you can see what I'm marking. Okay. So this is my radius. I have marked my radius already. So now is to go to the length. So I'll start from this folded part. The length I want is 8 inches. So 8 inches. I'm marking 8 inches here already. Now at this part, at this other open end, whatever you are using at this folded edge, subtract 2 inches from it. That is what you use for this part. So I'm using 8 here. When I subtract 2 from 8, I have 6. So I have 6 here already. So whatever you are using here, subtract 2 from it to get what you use here. Then you blend. Connect the 2 points. Connect the 2 points. From this place, connect to this place. Then cut it out like that. So I have cut it out already. And this is what I have. Now the next thing to do is to shape a part from at this folded part, I will still need to shape one side. At this folded part, I still need to shape a side a little. So what I'll do is, here, this is the side but the side you are shaping is the side that will be in front. That's the side that will be facing the front. So I'm shaping this side a little now. So I have shaped it. Then you open it up to cut. So I have opened it, but you still need to blend it to this place. So this is what I will do. This is the part that I want to shape. So I have shaped this part. This is the part that I shaped. Now we join this place together. The first thing we do is to join this place together. So I'll be taping it with paper tape now, since I'm using paper. So we join this place together. So I've taped it together. I've taped it together, and this is it now. This is it now. So as you can see it, we now take join this place, this round, to the armhole of your dress. Join this place to your armhole. Then you come to this side. You know you must have joined this. After joining this, you now come to this folded part and fold to the front. You leave like 4 inches or 5 inches, or better still, just equal this place. Just make sure this place is equal and fold like this. Can you see what you have? Can you see what you have now? So this is it. Can you see? So after, you must have join this to your armhole. Join this to your armhole. After joining, then you fold this, just half it, and tag this with your needle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. Thank you.